How important is it for SEOs to have an understanding of project management?
It depends on what I don't like to fit people into molds that they you see because there's this thing like I can't remember who said it where they say people get promoted out of their expertise. Some people just like to do tech, and I work with amazing data analysts that they just don't want to be involved in that side. But you give them any kind of thing to do, they will build it. So it just depends. Like if you're an account manager or it's in your remit to have client relationships, yes, you absolutely need to have your project management hat on because every task you put forward as a project, you have to see inset, completion, and with any SEO tasks, if you don't follow up, it doesn't get done. So you have to have your project management hat on, even when you're setting priorities, because when you send a technical audit, there can be 700 things that need to get done. But you need to understand what the company is like. You need to know, okay, if I send 60 things, it'll get lost. I need to, send 3 things at a time. You need to create a strategy. So I would say if you have any kind of client management within your remit, yes, you need that project management.